What we have here is a Husqvarna 141 chainsaw. It is this model. And I've been struggling with getting the new fuel line here fed into this little hole down in here because it doesn't seem to want to go straight down into this tank. No matter how I feed it, it comes out over here instead. It comes out the side of the saw or the other side of the saw or wherever it goes. It doesn't end up down in here. So I've been watching some videos on YouTube. I even looked at some eBay auctions to see if I could find a view of this tank to see where that tank hole is. And I got to see a view of it which showed me the hole in the tank was straight down. In fact, if I take this stiff wire, this is aluminum electric fence wire, kind of a small gauge, and I just experimented with just feeding this wire straight down. It goes exactly straight. Is that fuel tank hole straight down? So I just put that wire down in there, and then we see if that fence wire came out in there. I don't know if you can see in there very good. I'm going to try to tip this up into the light. Well, sure enough, that fence wire is in that fuel tank. I'll show it to you. Here it is. Right there. See? So the fuel tank hole is straight down from this access hole. I guess what happens is when you put this fuel line down in that hole, it always takes a turn that way, or it takes a turn that way, or just bunches up between this separate tank and the body of it. So what I'm going to do is cut this at an even more severe angle than what I've got now and get it wet and try to feed it straight down. What I'm hoping it'll do is these sides of this tip will collapse and this will feed down into that hole straight. I'll let you know how it works. But I have confirmed the hole I'm trying to hit is exactly straight down, and it should end up straight in the fuel tank if I can get her. Alright.